Hi everybody, this is Marcella Carney. I'm a sales associate with Keeneland, Latin & Sotheby's Realty, and I'm also a professional stager. Thank you so much for joining me today on this tour of this beautiful home located at 59 Woodland Road in Mendham Township. A little background regarding this beautiful turnkey custom home. It was built in 2014 and it is 3,300 square feet, not including the basement, which is unfinished presently, but could easily be done. And it sits on a little over a half an acre. We are 5 minutes from downtown Mendham that offers shopping, dining, and parks and recreation. Also, we are very close, 15 minutes from downtown Morristown, where you can grab the New Jersey Transit, which takes you into Manhattan and various other stops along the way. Morristown also offers restaurants, bars, shopping, theater, which also hosts many very famous artists. It's a really happening, fun place. The exterior of this home is a combination of Hardi-plank and stone, and it is painted what I call grayish, which is a very soft, neutral, grayish beige color, which complements the stonework on the house. The house also has high-performance Anderson windows throughout. The basement is a poured solid foundation with foundation waterproofing. The gutters on the house are an extra wide 6 inches white aluminum. The pavered walkway goes up to the door. The door itself is a Therma True Fiber classic door, which translates to energy efficient and is adorned by 2 beautiful side lights. Let's go into the foyer. Once in the foyer, you will notice the beautiful hardwood floors, which are on the first floor and the second floor. They are 2¼ inch wide solid oak flooring, a beautiful walnut stain. You will also notice on the ceiling all throughout the first floor, extra wide molding, layered, absolutely beautiful, finished off amazingly. You will also see that it's a very warm, open floor plan, great for entertaining. Why don't we take a peek first to the living room on the left. Not only is this house beautifully designed, the sellers themselves have exquisite taste and have taken advantage of each room and decorated it beautifully. As a professional stager, when I came in to see this home for the first time, nothing, absolutely nothing needed to be done. It was photo ready. You will see the molding again all throughout the living room. Truly, this is one of the most beautiful dining rooms I have ever seen. Please note those stunning dual crystal chandeliers inside this amazing tray ceiling, which has multiple angles on it. These chandeliers are going to go with the sale of the house. You will see the beautiful molding on the side of the walls. The chair railing is extra wide. It is 3¾ inch. Underneath, it's raised, paneled. From this angle, you'll see the beautiful kitchen entrance. Now we're in the kitchen. Please notice how open a floor plan this room is. Look at the light that's beaming through the windows. The cabinetry in the kitchen is solid paneled cabinetry. The countertops are granite, both on the countertops and the island. The island is painted a little soft gray, whereas the rest of the cabinetry is a very soft white. You will notice that all the appliances are stainless steel, and in the island you can see the microwave oven. I absolutely love the lights over the island, absolutely stunning. Beyond the kitchen, in the left-hand corner, is the breakfast nook. And there's a door going out to the backyard, which we'll take a peek at in a minute. Another angle of the kitchen is showing you the beautiful 6-burner range cooktop, as well as that custom hood and the marble backsplash. In the back, you can see the undermount stainless steel sink. Stepping back a little bit, You also get a better view of how open this room is. I love the chandelier over the breakfast nook table as well. Let's take a peek outside while we're here. This backyard has a beautiful circular shaped patio, great for entertaining. You can see the doors that go right into the breakfast nook area. Next is a different angle of the patio area. You'll notice in the backyard how beautiful and lush it is. Okay, let's go back into the house. From this vantage point, I want to show you how we're going to walk into this extra large family room. It is 20 feet by 17. It houses a beautiful gas fireplace that you just start by flicking a switch next to it. Again, look at this beautiful chandelier that's coming with the house as well. Here's another view of the family room that shows the kitchen. And beyond, you will see the office area. This is a view from the office looking into the family room. Love that chandelier. Again, that is coming with the house as well. Okay, now we're in the study/office with all custom built shelving, hardwood floors, pristine condition. This room could actually be made to a first floor bedroom because right beyond it, or connected to it rather, is a full bathroom, which we will see in a minute. Here is the bathroom, full bathroom, shower, toilet, sink with marble countertops. Beautiful, beautiful tile work. Back out to the foyer. I just want to point out the staircase. The steps are solid oak flooring, and the railings are both iron and solid oak. Okay, now we are upstairs on the landing. You'll notice again the molding, how substantial it is. And now we're going to go take a peek at the master suite. Look how beautiful this room is. Look at the tray ceiling, look at the chandelier, look at all the light that's pouring into the room with all these beautiful windows, the hardwood floors. Absolutely stunning. The room has 2 walk-in closets, all custom done with shelving and drawers, and are also hardwood floors inside them. Now we're in the master bathroom with marble floors and tiling and neutral cabinetry. Again, all solid wood cabinetry, a beautiful granite countertop, and a jacuzzi, as well as a frameless shower. Now we're outside the master bedroom, and on the second floor there is a washer and dryer housed in the laundry room, as well as a stainless steel utility sink. Great, so you don't have to run up and down the stairs with your laundry. Right outside the master bedroom is a family room / sitting area where you could either watch TV, read a book. It's beautiful. Note these windows. The sills on these windows are extra wide, absolutely stunning. And please note the barnwood wall in the background. And check out the chandelier. Again, all these chandeliers are coming with the home. We are now in the second bedroom, which has, again, beautiful hardwood floors, very well lit naturally, and also you can't really see it, but there is 2 separate closets with double doors. Now we're going to go see the upstairs bathroom, granite countertops, tile floor, beautiful solid wood cabinetry. And we're going to move on to the third bedroom. Again, very well lit, beautiful windows, hardwood floors. Okay, this is basically the end of our tour. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a peek at this amazing absolutely beautiful home. If you have any questions or you would like to have a private tour, please contact me at 973-476-7467. Thank you so much. Be well.